Today we are going to see preparation of income and expenditure account and balance sheet when previous year balance sheet is not given. In the previous class, the same income and expenditure account and balance sheet we did, but previous year balance sheet was given in the question. So capital fund was available. But today we are going to do two sums. In both the sums, previous year balance sheet is not given. That means capital fund is not given. So if capital fund is not given, we cannot do the final balance sheet. So in these two sums, what I have done, first I have prepared income and expenditure account, and then I have done previous year balance sheet with the details given in the sum, so that we can find out the capital fund and then we will proceed with the final balance sheet. So first we'll do the income and expenditure account as usual. We'll start from the expense side itself. On the expense side, the salaries first I have taken, no adjustment, so straight away I have written 25,000. To traveling expenses 4,000. To stationery 3,000. Here opening and closing not available, so we didn't calculate stationery used. We have taken as a revenue expense. To rent 32,000. Then this side, income side, subscription first item, by subscription 7,500, that is given in the receipts and payments account. Then in the adjustment, 4 items are given, that is outstanding subscription at the end, outstanding subscription at the beginning, subscription received in advance in the previous year, subscription received in advance in the current year. So already we have done this type of sums. So outstanding at the end is added, outstanding at the beginning is deducted, subscription received in advance in the previous year is added, subscription received in advance in the current year is deducted. So ultimately we are getting 69,900. By donations 5,000, it is not specific donation, so we have taken here. By income from investment, it is given 2,000 in the receipts and payments account. But in the adjustment, 9% investment 25,000 given, and it is for the full 1 year we have to calculate because it is there in the previous year itself. So interest on investment 9% of 25,000, you get 2250. Already received interest is given in the receipts and payments account 2,000. So the difference 250 is outstanding, so that is added here. So ultimately 2250 is the income from investment. So if you find the difference here, the income side is more than the expense side, so you get a surplus of 13,150. Now before going to the final balance sheet, I am going to do the rough balance sheet. Rough balance sheet means balance sheet of the previous year or the beginning of the current year, that is 1419. So on the liability side, whatever these details are given in the adjustment except cash. Cash 10,500 is nothing but opening balance in the receipts and payments account. All the other details are from the adjustment. Investment 25,000, outstanding subscription 3,400, books 8,000. All these are given